This is David's Peacock Costume. How I made it, first I got one of these old dresses, then I got 4 papers, then I drawed, then seems, these little feathers are too small. I drawed, wings, like, how I draw this, first I drawed a curve here, then another curve, then the biggest curve, then this, then a curve, then a little curve again, then another curve. Then I did that with all the other ones. Then I drawed feathers on them. Then when I was done these parts of the feathers, I made little feathers here. And on the back, I drawed a belly. I drawed a rainbow. I drawed a rainbow belly. Then I got one paper. Then I drawed a badge on the, and I drawed a peacock badge on it. So and I colored in this blue because I want the feathers to be pretty. So when I colored the green and blue on the feathers and on the wings, it made the suit even prettier.
Yes.
My name is Paul, and David is a peacock right now. He's my twin brother. He's always funny. And I made the suit to control peacocks from pinching me.